How to import a context list CSV file into Pipedrive CRM. First, let's go to your Pipedrive account. On the left side menu, go to Deals over here. Then click the three dots on your left. You can see the import here. Click on that. Over here, you can import an Excel file or a CSV. In our case, we will import a CSV file. So click on Upload Spreadsheet over here and select the CSV file on your local device. After uploading, this page will show up. This is just basically the template or format of your imported file. You can customize the data fields over here. And once you're done, click on Next on the bottom right. So this is just a preview of your file. Click Next on the bottom. The best thing about Pipedrive is that it actually detects the duplicate data on your file. You can merge them or create multiple records. In my case, I will choose Merge Data right here. And then after that, click on Start Import below. It may take a while, so just wait for it. To view your file, go to the summary over here and click View, and there you have it.